Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Python exists on your machine. Open a terminal and run Python version or Python 3 version. If you see no output, install the correct package now. Choose the installer that matches your OS and architecture. Once done, note the exact version string and install location so you can add it to path precisely. This step prevents guessing later, and it ensures subsequent path edits reference the real executable instead of common aliases or old versions. You must add the Python executable to your environment path. First, locate the install folder and copy the full path to Python, exe or bin/Python. On Windows, open System Environment Variables and edit path. On Mac OS/Linux, add an export path line to /, bashrc, /, zshrc or appropriate shell file. Once done, restart your terminal so changes apply. Make sure the correct path appears first to avoid conflicts with other Python installs, or you finish by confirming resolution. Run Python version and which Python or where Python to see the resolved path. If multiple versions exist, use Python 3 or the Py launcher on Windows to target the right interpreter. Make sure scripts and virtual environments point to that same path. If it still says not found, reinstall using the official installer, re-add the executable to path, and restart your shell or system. One key troubleshooting tip: check for stray alias or symlink entries that can override the intended Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.